So we are under the Jeep, and today's we are going to be taking out this stripped head bolt that the previous owner or the previous one before him did. So then we can check to see if this thing has fluid in it. I imagine if it does, it's pretty darn dark, and it might not at all. I don't know. We're going to be using this set. Yeah, see. Did it fucking break it free? I think it did. It did. Wow. Okay, it worked. Well, we'll come back at it whenever I get the size for this and the drain plug in, and then we'll drain her out. Actually, I'm going to wait on the pump, but we'll get it done. I thought that was going to take a lot longer than what it did, so I'm glad it didn't. So just get yourself a set of these easy out multi-spline screw extractors. This is the brand that I went with. Definitely recommend. I do have a replacement plug. Let's see if there's any fluid in here. Yeah, there's fluid. There's fluid. Smells like automatic transmission fluid. So that's good. It did have fluid in it. Alright. We will be replacing this transmission mount too. That thing's covered in oil. Looks like it's cracked, separated. Luckily this is already an extension, so hopefully these bolts aren't rusted to shit and they're not going to snap on me. My main concern. That was loose. Nice. New one, just to get some better flow. And we'll let this drain out. I'm probably gonna let it drain out for probably an hour, just because I ain't got nothing else going on, and let it get all that nasty gook out of there. Oops. That might have been me. Oh, I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Alright. Yeah, let's go there. And we're tight. Okay, good. Yeah, I could still go a little bit more, but I'm just gonna leave it. Should be good. Get some spray this up, move on to the front diff.